option. So we have vertically, horizontally, and stack. So this stack here, as we all know, was introduced by Apple. This is how, let me show you like this. This is how recent apps on iPhones are arranged. Okay, so but if you want to get this feature, it's actually pretty, simple and straightforward. So my phone is the Xiaomi 14T Pro, in case you're wondering. As you can see, it's not the Chinese version. I think the Chinese version of the Xiaomi 14T Pro is the Redmi K70 Pro Max, K70 Ultra. Yeah, K70 Ultra, I think. This is the global ROM. Okay, this is the global version of this. This is Xiaomi 14T Pro running a global ROM. Okay, so if you, I don't know if it's going to work for you, what I'm about to tell you guys, but if it does, then good news. So if you want to enable it, it's actually quite simple. So what you need to do is go over to your browser, and you search for HyperOS updates.com, right? So once you search for that, as you can see, we're on the website already. Let me have this ad, so you search for home. I'm really sorry guys, I'm just mistyping a lot of things. So you search for home, you go to the search bar there, you search for home. All right, so you click on that, and then there's just too many ads on this website. So let me close this ad. So I've closed it. So let me drop this down, and then you scroll, okay, and you choose the first build. Okay, as you can see, we have many universal versions here. So you pick the first one. Okay, it's the first one that I picked. So you download, and then you scroll way over to the bottom, way down to the bottom. Okay, so and then you download the build, all right, the package. So it's just 26.67 megabytes. All right, so you click on download. So once you've done that, the package would download. I've already downloaded it before. Once you download the package, there'll be some permissions that you have to grant. Of course, if you use Xiaomi devices, you should know the permissions that I'm talking about. But once you enable the permissions and you're able to install the package, trust me guys, the stack, you get this stack option here. Okay, you get this stack option. So I have it already on my Xiaomi 14T Pro, as you can see, and it's really smooth, guys. It's working real well. Okay, so that's how I was able to get it. I don't know if it's going to work for you, but if you use the Xiaomi 14T Pro, it's most likely going to work. Okay, it's most likely going to work. But yep, that's it. As you can see, it's a pretty straightforward method. It's not complicated, very simple. Okay, so just download it, and once you download it, install the package, the build, this HyperOS home launcher, install it, and then it's going to update the original home launcher you have on your phone. And then once it updates, then you're going to get the stack option. So that's it. So share your thoughts in the comment section below, guys. Share your thoughts, and that's it for the video. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.